In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the background from an image using Canva. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to refresh your skills, this quick tutorial will guide you through the process with ease, in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. To get started first, open Canva in your preferred web browser and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, signing up is a straightforward process. Just follow the prompts using your email or any connected social media account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by Canva's colorful and intuitive dashboard. Here, you can either open an existing design that you want to edit or upload a new image by selecting the Upload option. Drag and drop your file directly or browse your computer to find the desired image. Now that your image is available in Canva, click on it to ensure that it's selected. You'll notice a border around your image when it's properly selected. Once selected, look at the top toolbar, where you'll find various options to edit your image. Click on Edit Image, and a side panel will slide in from the left, revealing a host of tools you can use to enhance your image. Here comes the magic part. Look for the Background Remover tool in the sidebar. It's usually prominently displayed, thanks to Canva's user-friendly design. Click on Background Remover and watch as Canva goes to work. It'll automatically detect and remove the background for you in just a few seconds. This tool is a real time saver, allowing you to effortlessly clean up the image without needing complicated software or advanced skills. But what if the automatic background removal isn't as precise as you'd like? No worries. Canva provides additional tools like the Erase or Restore brushes. You can use these brushes to fine-tune the edges and ensure you have crisp lines around your subject. The Erase brush is great for removing any leftover background you might not want, while the Restore brush can bring back any vital details that might have been accidentally removed. It's worth noting that the Background Remover feature is available exclusively to Canva Pro users. If you're using the free version and find you can't access this feature, consider upgrading to unlock a wealth of additional resources. Canva Pro unlocks a host of other tools and features, making it a worthwhile investment for those frequently needing graphic design solutions. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to remove the background from an image using Canva efficiently. Now you can add some flair to your design projects without any hassle. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!